it is Brandy Chanell. If you're new to this channel, here on this channel, we talk about everything from hair to makeup to fashion to you to pretty much all things beauty, lifestyle, and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press the subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter. Alright guys, as you can tell by the title of this video, we are packing with my new Beis Luggage set here. I have the check-in bag and the carry-on bag. I'm packing for a 15-day trip to Europe, or our honeymoon. So I'm going to show you guys kind of what I'm taking. I'm not completely finished packing, so yeah, I'm just going to show you what I have together so far. I'm going to start with the carry-on, and then I'm going to hopefully have one whole empty side left of this so we can bring stuff back. This is the maple color of the luggage. I feel like in person they kind of look different, but on camera they look the same, so maybe it's just my eyes. I don't know, girl. And yeah, so let's just show you guys what I have. Already, some of these pieces are in my fall essentials wardrobe, so you'll see some of those. 2 pairs of jeans, a light pair and a dark pair, and these pair of faux leather jegging legging type pants from Primark several years ago. And then last but not least, I have some wide leg trousers that I'll wear. Everything I've kind of made sure that it's interchangeable with each other and I can wear everything at least 2 to 3 times. I picked these up from Walmart. They are by Swiss Tech. So it comes in a 3-pack. It comes a really big one, and then 2 of the kind of medium size packing cubes. Love these things. I've never packed for the winter or fall winter, so that should be interesting to see how that works. But for sure, I'm taking my Hoka Clifton 8s. I have a video on these as well. I have not tried the Clifton 9s. I'm in love with the 8s, so I bought another pair of these of lined tights. So these provide some warmth with those dresses that I have back there. My glasses, and then I have some designer glasses. I got these from Amazon, y'all. Way cheaper on Amazon. They are authentic. Link to these down below. Now we're gonna move over to kind of tech gear. So I got this tripod in my Amazon store. I got this tech bag from Target. It was only 12 bucks. It has a pocket in the front. My other carry-on bag, I have this bag as well that has actually this is it right here, the trolley pocket. This is a super nice bag. I got this for my bridal shower. It has a compartment down here for shoes or whatever you want to put in there. A pocket on the back, pocket inside here, my passport. It also has 2 additional pockets right there. Very nice bag. I've traveled with this before. Love it. Oh, I have a converter. I used this converter years ago. I never used it. Now I'm finally getting to use it. So that will be put in this bag as well. Converter right here. I purchased one of these suitcase covers from Amazon. I haven't used it yet, as you can tell. But I'm going to use it to put it on the check-in bag to kind of cover it up. Because, you know, they be throwing the suitcases and stuff everywhere. I'll be taking my travel pillow because your girl loves to sleep on the plane. This is the handbag that I'll be taking from Amazon. It is the Anycat. I'm not sure, but it's a crossbody bag. It has 2 different compartments. I'm not going to put any cards in there, but if I was at home, I would put cards in here. It's a pretty big bag. This is the bigger of the 2. There's a smaller version. This also has a pocket back here as well. Take that out of there. I've been using it to see if I like it. So far, so good. And then a pocket here in the back. And you can move this hook here from here to here, or however you want to do it. This is what this looks like. This will be my only purse I'm going to take. Oh, I need to show you guys the inside of the luggage. I'll do that in a second. I'm going to take our Airbnb that we're going to stay in Rome. We'll have a washer and dryer, so I'm going to take a couple game pods, and then those little, I love these little things. They smell so good. So that will be for that. Can't go wrong with a lint roller since I'm wearing so much black. I'm definitely going to bring the lint roller. Say less, you never know. I found this little lice. This will be in my check bag as well. Pepper spray. You never know. It's crazy out here in these streets. Lysol, some hair oil because I'm going to have my hair braided down. Some Febreze to spray the clothes. Contacts. I like to bring these on the plane just in case my throat gets dry. Vitamins. I put all my makeup stuff in this bag, this box. I'm gonna put it all in here at some point. I picked this up on Amazon as well. We'll show you some up close video footage as well, but here is the opening. You put your brushes up here, maybe some other stuff, and then the bottom half, and I like that it's hard, so it'll hold up hopefully pretty well, and then you can just put something in these bottom compartments. I have tons of travel size. I love Biosense. If anybody wants to know what kind of skincare stuff I use, Biosense is my homegirl. Not sponsored, but I really love Biosense. I have my toothpaste, taking a new eyebrow pencil, all my makeup brushes. I'm going to take the NARS Soft Matte Foundation. I love this Maybelline lipstick. This is one of my favorites. I have some Clorox wipes in here. Let's see what else. And I have my Jimmy Choo I Want You. That was my wedding fragrance. Got that in here. My NARS creamy concealer in almond. Yeah, girl, just a bunch of like random stuff that I'm gonna put inside, like I said, in there. I'll do that later. I just wanted to really show you guys the suitcases. They both look the exact same, so I'm not going to show you both of them, but I wanted to show you the inside. Love this here, where you can put a bag to hold on there. It has the really nice zippers with the self-locking over here. I noticed this is very popular. There's a weight indicator here, nice handle here, and a handle up here. And basically both of them look the exact same. There's a kind of waterproofing or type deal over here on this side, and this includes the kind of dirty laundry bags or whatever, shoe bags, whatever you want to use these bags for. I opened one of them up just so you can see. It's just probably a nylon kind of material bags that match the suitcase. So 2 pockets, 2 compartments here. Let's see what this says. Oh, it has a little something in it. Ready to roll. We'll take a look at that later. So here's a compartment, and then this other compartment has straps. Ooh. You can take this piece in and out. It has snaps over here in the corner. You can snap it out or keep it. And it has a little tiny, I was thinking it was bigger than this, but it's a tiny little, it's a tiny little extra bag here. I don't know what you would put in it. On the opposite side, there is a mesh pocket here, and then there's also a pocket in here. So you should have ample enough space. I'm going to try to throw all this stuff in this suitcase. No need for you guys to watch me do it, but I just wanted to show you what the inside of this, the Beis suitcase looked like. Alright guys, so I think I have noticed a trend with myself that I like to do a pack with me video and then I repack. Anyway, so I'm going to show you guys the final packing, what I packed. I took some things out and I purchased like a couple more things, and then we'll be done with this pack with me video. So let's get to it. Alright, so I ended up repurchasing this suitcase cover to match the size. I ended up getting a large to match the larger Beis suitcase size. This is also what it looks like on the inside. This is a larger one, and that is the carry-on, and this is the smaller of the 2 check-in bags. I think this is a 26 inch if I'm not mistaken. Here are all the liquids again that I showed you earlier. There's nothing in this, so I'll put dirty clothes in this on our way back. Here's the Amazon blazer, this faux fur from Primark, lint roller because I'm wearing mostly all black. I ended up putting these tights in there. These are like double lined. I think it's supposed to be pretty chilly in Paris, so I figured these will be added extra layer of warmth. Rain jacket. It looks like it's raining a lot in Paris. Not the days we're there, but I'm just gonna bring it anyway. Loafers. I think those were originally my other bag, but I put them in here. And then my tripod. Again, you have some extra contacts, and then the cleaning stuff for when we get to Rome. We have a washer and dryer. And again, there is absolutely, I think there's maybe like one thing in here, but I like to bring an empty suitcase so that I can bring stuff back. Well, I can't get it open right now, but there's a COVID test in there. Not that we have 2 COVID tests, but just in case you never know, you might need to, and I don't know if we can find them at a pharmacy over there. So we have some extras. So this whole side will be empty except for this little box. Moving on, I showed you guys this. I love this little case. It's not really little. It's pretty decent size. It's probably about the size of my hand. And I don't think I added anything or took anything out of here. I think I added some lashes. Other than that, that was it. But I do like that you can see through this. I added this little container. It's got a pair of underwear. I'm going to put my toothbrush in here. Eye drops, Vaseline, Clorox wipes, some teas. I picked up this. I've never tried Native before, but I was like, I didn't feel like taking my whole big deodorant. So I found this little tiny, Native is so expensive. This was $3 for this little deodorant, but hopefully it holds up. And this is my tech kit. These are little converters. I think these are from Amazon. I picked up this mirror. I put that in there. These are all the cords. I noticed these are a little loose for these cords, so it's probably better for a thicker cord, but basically there's just all cords in here. I was hoping my headphones would fit, but they won't. So I picked up these JBL noise canceling headset. These were $99 originally, I think $199 or something like that. These are awesome so far. I'll let you know after I actually use them on the airplane, but in the house they worked really well so far. I picked those up today. I'm gonna take my Hokas. This little bag, it's the size it's bigger than my hand. It's the bigger version of the AnyCat bag mask. You never know. So, and just some snacks. Book. This book is amazing. If you've never read it, definitely pick this up. I always bring a book and don't read it, but just in case, I'll just bring it anyway. I have my passport in here, my glasses, and then some Advil. That's all that's in there. I'm gonna put all this stuff in here. What's in my carry-on bag. It's my personal item. And then I have 2 pairs of shoes in here and my converter. And moving on, these are all the clothes I'm gonna bring. These are like 2 dresses and some other sweaters, I think. Here, this is this is so cute, from Kohl's, a kind of faux boucle kind of jacket. It's more like a wool blend. This is all my jewelry in here. Underwear and bras are under there. I have some more underwear and stuff in here. Just a pair of gloves and socks in there. So not much in that one. These are more like clothes, 2 scarves, or actually 1 scarf and a couple of sweaters. And then these are my bottoms, the jeans, faux leather pants, 2 pairs of jeans, faux leather pants, and a pair of trousers. And and I'm going to take my little pillow as well. And last but not least, I'm going to show you guys, excuse the closet. This is my airplane outfit and travel outfit. Every time we go to the city, this is what I'll be wearing. So this is I forget, there's a name for it and I can't remember what they're called. It's not a scarf, it's something else, but I can't think of it right now. I'm gonna bring that. And then I have a sports bra and just a plain black t-shirt and my Biore 2-piece suit. Y'all, if you need a super soft feeling, soft joggers ever, and this a matching jacket, this is from Biore. And then I have this overcoat from Zara that I got many years ago, actually maybe like 4 years ago from Zara. It's that Italian wool. Perfect, right? It's so warm and it has these nice pockets on the front. It needs to be lint rolled, but we'll figure that out at a later date. And then I'm gonna wear those Hokas with this. So this is just gonna be my travel outfit. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoy. Catch me in my next one. Talk to you later. Bye.